Leader, are you okay?
Leader.
Yeah, I'm fine. I just needed you guys to come here.
For what reason exactly?
It's time to show Sherbert around, okay? Shadow?
Okay. Makes sense, because I did just get here, 2 days ago? From the lion chasing me all the way to here.
Yeah, so you don't know the place too well around here.
Yeah, I understand.
Follow me.
Alright.
Up here. What was that sound? I'm not sure, but it sounded like it came from here. Does it sound like something big? Hopefully.
You see anything?
No, not yet.
I think I do. What is it?
Oh.
Are you little ones okay? Can we be in a pack with you guys? Please. I'm very scared.
How did you guys get here? Didn't see you yesterday.
I don't know. We were just walking around and we fell in this hole and I'm scared. Please.
Well, we have to ask our leader first. So, follow me. What he said.
Wait up.
Leader.
I'm scared.
Who and what are those creatures? They're friendly. They're little baby things. I don't know.
I'm a guinea pig. I'm a ferret.
And we are wondering if we could keep them overnight. I don't know if we fully let them in our pack, but at least keep them for a night. Because they could get hurt by one scratch from like a cat. You're all right. Fine. We gotta introduce ourselves first. Make a circle around them. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Well, we can't really make a circle, but whatever.
It's okay.
Yes, you guys will be all right. Okay.
My name is Sherbert.
My name is Shadow.
My name is Bear. And I'm the leader of this pack, so you must respect me.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Your names? My name's Chocolate. My name's Oliver. Alright. You guys have very cool names. Very cool. Where will we sleep? You guys can sleep. Oliver, you could sleep here, and Chocolate, you could sleep here, and also, what's her name? Sherbet, you could. Where can Sherbet sleep? I guess Sherbet could sleep here for now. Yes, sir. Let me put a leaf up there for get. I guess I'll use this one. If I could bite it off. Okay. I'm gonna get some water. Me too. I'm gonna lay in new beds. Me too.